Hi, in this video, I am going to save you 7 years of online failure. If you follow the advice in this video, then I'm very sure that you're going to save a lot of time, energy, and confidence in trying to build your online business on YouTube. So let's dive in. So the number one thing is think long term. If you want to be successful on YouTube, and build a business that allows you to live the life on your own terms, then let me tell you one thing. This is the most important thing that you need to keep in mind, that you have to think long term. YouTube is a long term game, it's not a short term game. So I made this mistake that when I started my first YouTube channel, I thought that I will become, a YouTube celebrity within a few weeks or maybe a month, and I will start to make money that will allow me to do whatever I wanted, to travel the world and to buy anything that I wanted to. But that was a mistake. That was just a misconception. That was a false mindset when you are just starting on YouTube. If you are in your 40s or 50s, have kids, have a job, and that means you have a busy life around you, and you have got a very little time to spend on YouTube to start and grow your business. So you need to think about this way, that YouTube is a marathon. It's not a sprint. It will take time. It will take months and even years to eventually, quit your 9 to 5 job. At that time, you could be making a lot of money that surpasses your 9 to 5 salary. So that is the time when you can easily and confidently quit your 9 to 5 job. So this is the first thing.
Hi, this is Azim Ahmed, and I help new YouTubers in their 40s, 50s, and beyond to become successful on YouTube. So, if that sounds interesting to you, then consider subscribing to my channel and join me on this amazing ride.
So the second thing is that you need to commit to the process. The thing is this, when you are just starting on YouTube, you are not going to get views, subscribers, and you are not going to build audience overnight. That's not going to happen. So you need to absorb this thing, that YouTube and building a real business on YouTube that fuels your freedom of, time, money, and location, that fuels your life. It will take time. So eventually, slowly and steadily, you're going to build your audience. You are uh, going to attract the right people that believe in you, that trust you, that appreciate that you are showing up for them, and they will appreciate, what you are sharing with them. You are sharing the insights, the mistakes you made over the years, and the things you learned, the things you did great, your wins and failures, and everything that is so valuable, more than money. Okay, so this will be your tribe that will appreciate that yes, you are here showing up on YouTube every single week and sharing your, valuable lessons learned in your life, in your professional life, in your personal life. So that is very important, that you need to commit to the process, even when you are not getting views, subscribers, and you're not getting traction on YouTube, and you start to think that YouTube algorithm hates you. It's not like that. Okay, so it will take time. You need to commit to the process. You need to be showing up. You need to be posting valuable uh, content on YouTube every single week. And eventually, you are going to make it happen. And that will be the most beautiful thing you will ever experience in your lifetime. So this is the same thing that is keeping me, on YouTube, that is encouraging me to show up. I'm an introvert guy. I don't, like to be on camera. I'm not very confident, as you can see. But I know inside that yes, there are people who are in their 40s, 50s, and beyond who have kids, who have jobs, and who want more from their life. Okay, who deserve more, who deserve to be living the life on their own terms and not dictated by their bosses. Okay, so that is my tribe. Those are the people I'm going to attract, and those are the people I'm going to, guide as a mentor, not a guru. Okay, I'm not a guru. I'm just a normal guy. I'm a parent. I'm a father. I'm a son. I have three kids, three amazing kids. So I'm doing this thing to share everything I'm learning and doing in my YouTube business. So that is very important. So the next thing is you need to stop overthinking. So this is the mistake that I made, and this is the same mistake, the same mindset that kept me from starting my YouTube channel and considering this as a real business. Okay, so the things like what my friends and family will think about me when they find my YouTube channel. They will think that I'm going crazy. Like my father used to say when I told him that I'm going to start my online business. So he was telling me that, son, look, you are an electrical engineer and you have a good experience in the construction industry. You have a good experience in the oil and gas sector. So you need to find a real job. You need to stick to this job and what you can say, grow the ladder. Okay, you can get increments. You can get salary raises every year, and you need to keep doing this. Okay, so I was telling him that, Father, uh, I feel that I deserve more. I want to live the life on my own terms. I want freedom. At that time, I did not realize that the freedom is related to not only money, it is related to time, location, and money. These are the three uh, sources of freedom that you and me, every human being that is living in this world, deserve and want. And when we achieve that level of freedom, that we can do whatever we want to do, we can travel and we want to go to vacations whenever we like to, and we can spend as much time with our kids and friends and family as much as we want. That is the most beautiful gift we can have in this lifetime. Okay, we can impact the lives of more people. While when you are doing a 9 to 5 job, you have a lot of limitations. Okay, you need to be doing your job at a desk from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And in that time bracket, you are like slave. Okay, you are bound. You cannot, shut down your system and go on a ride with your kids. Okay, or you are on some days like I do sometimes. My energy is very down. Okay, I'm not feeling like working. I don't want to stay on that PC, and I don't want to work on my office cubicle, but I have to do that because my employer, my company is paying me for staying there and doing the job that I'm subscribed to, that I have myself agreed to doing. Okay, so this is the thing. So next thing is that is very important, that you need to avoid one thing that we know as shiny object syndrome, SOS. This is the, feeling or trap that works like this. that whenever you see an opportunity online or offline, you start working on it. Okay, you will spend some weeks or months doing that, and obviously it will take time to get results, but you are so impatient, you want results faster. So what will happen that you will quit and then you start to work on another opportunity and the cycle continues. And before you know, you have wasted a lot of time, energy, and you have lost a lot of confidence in that process. So if you want to be successful on YouTube, if you want to make YouTube as the engine that drives growth and brings more in your life that you always wanted and desired, then you need to stick on this one platform, on this one YouTube channel, and keep sharing valuable content that inspires, motivates, and encourages your audience to change their lives. Okay, so if you keep doing one thing long enough, then eventually you will make it happen. Like there's a one very amazing quote in the book Atomic Habits by James Clear that says that every loser and every winner have the same goals. So that is very amazing thing that everyone wants to be successful. Every parent wants to spend as much time with their kids as they want, but not everyone will be successful. So the thing is that the people who are going to be successful on YouTube or any online or offline business are the people who commit to one process and keep doing that one thing until they make it happen. So this is the difference between the people who will become successful and the people who will not. So this is very, very important and strong lesson that if you want to be successful on YouTube or any other platform, you need to stick to one channel, one vehicle until you make it happen. And the next thing that you need to keep in mind that you need to know your why, which is very, very important. If you want to be successful on YouTube, you should know your why. Why you are starting your YouTube channel? What is your goal with your YouTube channel? And what you want to achieve with this channel? I mean, for me, I want to, you know, grow my YouTube channel to a level where I don't have to do a 9 to 5 job. So, and when that happens, I can spend as much time with my kids as I want. Okay, I can travel uh, anywhere, I can go anywhere whenever I want. I can go on family vacation and I can, afford a lot of things that I cannot afford right now because I have only a limited income from my 9 to 5 job. So this is my why. So I want to live the life on my own terms. So this is my why. You need to have a strong why. So which is the very reason that you are doing the thing what you are doing. Okay, if you unless you don't have a strong why, you are not going to stick to the process. You are not going to keep doing the thing that you are doing, and you keep quitting. Opportunities. You keep switching opportunities, and that is the recipe for failure. And if you got some value from this video, then give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I want to know what is your biggest struggle on YouTube. So let me know in the comment, and I will try to respond to every single comment. And I see you in the next video.